It is said that a very long time ago, the peacock did not have the beautiful feathers of which he is now so proud. One day he walking to the goddess Juno, who loved him very much. He complained to her that he was tired of being like other birds and begged her to give him a wonderful train of feathers to make him special. She agreed, and with his fine tail of sparkling colors, he strutted proudly among the other birds. They were all jealous, even the pheasant, who until then had been the most beautiful bird. Later, the peacock saw an eagle soaring high up in the blue sky and felt a sudden urge to fly up to join him. Lifting his wings, he tried to take off, but the weight of his magnificent tail held him down. He could no longer fly like most birds, but had to walk around on the ground like a plain old chicken. And the moral of story is, do not give up your freedom just to look